Imagine standing at the bottom of an ocean trench, so deep that Mount Everest could fit inside it and still remain underwater. A place where sunlight never arrives. A place colder than a refrigerator. A place crushed by pressures more than 1,000 times stronger than what you feel right now. Most people believe nothing could survive there. But they are wrong. Because hidden nearly 11 kilometers beneath the Pacific Ocean lives an entire world of creatures that seem impossible. Fish with transparent skin. Monsters that glow in complete darkness. Alien-looking animals that can survive pressures capable of crushing a submarine. And some scientists believe we have explored less of this world than we have explored the surface of the moon. Tonight, we're descending into the deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench. And what we find at the bottom is stranger than science fiction. As we leave the ocean surface behind, sunlight quickly fades. At 200 meters, darkness begins. At 1,000 meters, the ocean becomes a black abyss. No plants survive here. No sunlight exists. Only endless darkness. Yet life continues. The deeper we travel, the stranger everything becomes. Pressure increases every second. At the bottom of the Mariana Trench, pressure reaches more than 16,000 pounds per square inch. Enough to crush most living creatures instantly. Yet some animals have evolved to thrive here. And the first one is perhaps the most surprising. The Mariana snailfish is currently the deepest fish ever discovered. Scientists found it living nearly 8,000 meters below the ocean surface. At first glance, it doesn't look impressive. Its body is soft. Its bones are weak. Its skin appears almost gelatinous. But this strange design is exactly why it survives. A rigid body would be crushed under the immense pressure. Instead, the snailfish evolved a flexible body capable of withstanding one of the harshest environments on Earth. It silently hunts tiny crustaceans in the darkness. For decades, scientists believed no fish could survive this deep. The Mariana snailfish proved them wrong. Swimming through the darkness are giant amphipods. They resemble enormous shrimp-like scavengers. Some grow much larger than their shallow water relatives. They spend their lives searching the ocean floor for anything edible. Dead fish. Organic debris. Even the remains of whales. In a world where food is extremely rare, nothing goes to waste. These creatures are among nature's ultimate recyclers. Perhaps the most adorable creature in the deep sea is the Dumbo octopus. Unlike many octopuses, it doesn't rely on speed. Instead, it floats quietly through the darkness. Scientists have observed Dumbo octopuses at incredible depths, making them among the deepest living octopuses known to science. But appearances can be deceiving. Despite looking cute, it is still an efficient predator. Covering parts of the trench floor are strange creatures nicknamed sea pigs. These unusual sea cucumbers slowly crawl across the mud. They feed on organic material falling from above. To humans, they may appear bizarre, yet they play a crucial role. Without scavengers like sea pigs, the trench ecosystem would struggle to survive. In total darkness, many creatures create their own light. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence. Some animals use glowing patterns to attract prey. Others use flashes of light to scare predators. Imagine an ocean where stars don't exist above you. Instead, the stars are alive and swimming around you.
Scientists estimate that most deep-sea creatures can produce some form of biological light. The Mariana Trench becomes an underwater galaxy.
The most extraordinary residents of the Mariana Trench may be invisible. Deep within the sediments are organisms. These tiny organisms challenge our understanding of biology. If life can survive here, perhaps life could also survive places like Europa or Enceladus. The Mariana Trench may be teaching us how to find alien life. The Mariana Trench remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries. We have mapped planets. We have walked on the moon. Yet much of our deepest ocean remains unexplored. Every expedition reveals creatures never seen before. Every dive raises new questions, and somewhere in the darkness below, hidden beneath nearly 11 kilometers of water, the deepest place on Earth is not empty. It is alive.
And we may have only just begun to understand what lives there.
The next great discovery may not come from outer space. It may come from the darkness beneath our own oceans.
and stone.
Look at the hydrostatic gel around its skull.
Yeah, it seems much more resilient than expected, even at these depths.
Checking the pressure seals. Copy that, seals look good. Powering on main lights now.